when we're developing a product, it always stems from a customer need or a customer problem that they're actually facing. If we're not solving a problem, if we're innovating for the sake of innovation, well, we're not really adding much value.
Getting our heads together is invaluable. It's where you get the best outcomes, really. As I say, you don't always get success, you just keep on trying, and it might be too big, might be too heavy, might be too expensive, might be too whatever. So you got to keep on going, and then you come up with something. Often there's some willing farmer or orchardist or cropping operator keen to try your latest invention and give the feedback on it, and that feedback's invaluable. And if the guy loves using it, well, you're onto a good thing. So what's the next thing we can do?
When they care about people, and they care about you, or me as an individual, and not just me, everyone in the organisation, but I feel that there's a genuine care for their employees. So that makes a big difference, as where I've always felt that they've always, looked after me over the years that I've been here, which is one of the reasons I've probably stayed so long.